Hello, thank you for purchasing the Intro Outro Maker. A welcome email is on the way to your account with a login URL and also your software activation key. In the meantime, though, we're going to go through a quick tutorial of the Intro Outro Maker and just go through a couple examples to get you familiar with the easy to use software. Some things that you probably should need before starting creating your intro outro videos is your actual logo, which you should already have. You should probably have a couple of different versions, like with white lettering and then with black lettering, depending on the background of the video. And obviously, it needs to be a transparent PNG file. So hopefully you have all that. And if you don't, then it's very easy to, have your designer or, do it yourself with paint.net. But that's not the purpose of this video. We're just going to be going through the actual software here. So once you get to the log in, you get to this home screen and you can see your account name over here, which will just be like the email you signed up with. There's a little gear and a log out button. The gear is just the settings. You can go to settings and, we'll just go to the tab right now. And basically settings will just have you can edit your email address or change your password. So, hopefully you don't need to do any of that. We'll go back to the home tab. So once you're here, you see all these different examples. You can hover over them, and it kind of shows you what video it is. So there's a bunch of them here. And depending on how many tabs in my screen recorder right now, it might not be a seamless example that's showing up, but you get the idea here. And you can see on the bottom there's the second page of different pre-made logo intro outro videos. And I see there's one for Christmas, a bunch of other ones. So you get a lot of different templates that are already pre-made, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually customize these into your own branding. And as you know, making videos online, it's very important to have an intro and outro video. It's captures the audience's attention immediately with your brand and just helps solidify that this video is for your brand. So let's click on this first example, and we can create video, and that's going to set up the editor. So here, as you can see, it's extremely easy to figure out what's going on here. It tells you in these little boxes, that's where your logo is going to be. So you click your logo. So I already have mine in here. It's a white transparent logo, and just choose that. And you see it's the recommended logo dimension size of 845 pixels wide by 253 pixels high. And just keep your logo around that ballpark. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, but I mean, as you can see, like I think I uploaded one that was like probably 1,000 or 2,000 each way. But I actually when you click choose, it kind of auto crops it, and it'll fit right there. So for the tagline, obviously you can say like www.yoursite.com or whatever, anything else you want, and then you get a 70 character limit there. Just keep your message under that, which I'm sure you'll be able to do. And up here, just to name this project that you're creating. So it's always best to like separately name your projects. Say my first project, and click next. And you can choose the colors, which I wouldn't for these ones, it's fine just for keeping these demos, but you can also choose different colors or enter a custom color. Go next. And as of right now, it comes with the Particle Dance logo music. So pre-selected. Pretty cool. I think it fits well, but you can choose all these other ones, like all this stuff. And if you like these, you just click the plus button right here and it will show up here. But we're going to keep the original and click next. And guess what? That's it. Start rendering. So it goes automatically to the projects tab, which you can see on the left right here. And this is where all your projects that you've ever created will be. And keep in mind, you can create an unlimited amount of projects and download an unlimited amount of videos with this amazing software that you only have to pay once for. So I know there's a lot of other softwares out there that, takes a long time to figure out and whatnot, but this one is pretty simple to use, and for just a one-time payment, like for a small fee for a lifetime ownership, it's really like a no-brainer solution, especially because you could use this as a side business and create these videos for clients, and sell whatever you want. But let's go back to the home tab. Let's see here. You want to, space logo is pretty cool. Let's create this video. Select an image. We already have the images we uploaded. And let me go back to that screen to explain again. So once you have your image, you just click the browse button, upload it. Or, I guess if you wanted to have like something else, in this case, we have the options available, but you would really just want to use your own branding. So you don't need it, but obviously, you can use Pixabay or Unsplash to find royalty-free pictures. Like I have like a Mercedes emblem here just as an example. But yeah, you would want to just use your own logo, clearly. So we're going to choose that again. And let's say my example 2 or my second project. Next. And let's go. Space logo reveal. They already have music selected here. But you can obviously pick your own or upload your own music. Go next. And guess what? Already done. Start rendering. Okay, so first project is complete. Let's see. So you click on the completed project and you get the option to download it right here. So you click download and it starts downloading to your computer. So, and also it's pretty cool. You can, if you like this, but say maybe the logo you uploaded isn't, for whatever the reason, the sizing is a little off, or you just want to fix it again, you can just click the pencil button and it reopens the editor. So you can click the pencil button, see it reopens the editor for the same exact video. But that's fine. We don't really care about it. It was already good, so let's go back. Go back, and yeah, we click the download button. Let's see if I can full screen it. Oops. Yeah, so you got a couple options here, but you get the gist. Once it's done, you download it onto your own computer and then use it for whatever you want. And go back to the home screen. So you got all these examples here to use. That's a lot. This they really for different things. But you know, depending on what you want to do, if you're making these for clients, obviously there's stuff like water pouring into a glass. So that's kind of cool if like you're into like health or fitness or training, nutritionist, something like that. All this stuff, it's pretty cool. Girl in the pool. I mean, yeah. So, as you can see, you can, you're not going to need all these, but if you're a client or if you just want to fool around, have make a couple for just, whatever purpose you might have, for even like invitations or something, for like a party or like promotional stuff, like you can make all these fun different intro outro videos with your brand logo. So it's really cool. I mean, you never know when you need it, or if like I said earlier, if you're making these for clients, then it really comes in handy when they want something that kind of fits for their brand. So like for that pool example, like that'd be a cool intro outro video if it was a pool company advertising, for something like, or pool maintenance, cleaning, or something like that. So it's a great way to like, just kind of brand different industries and sell them videos. So even if you sold video, like for the price that you're getting the software at, you could really price that per video you're making. And believe it or not, I've seen even on sites like Fiverr, Freelancer, like people are charging 30-40 bucks for some of these videos. That's a lot more than I mean, you'll be making a lot more than what the cost of the actual software is here. So I'll go back to the projects tab, and you can see that this one's done too, with our logo in there. So you can get on here and download it again. Oops, you go download, and then it goes right to your computer. And yeah, the screen recorder here is probably not going to capture all this stuff, but you get the gist of it. And once you have it on your computer downloaded, or download it on your cell phone, then you could send it to your client, or put it onto your the beginning and end of your whatever video you need it for. So I mean, it's a very simple software, and I think you're going to really enjoy it. Unlimited downloads, really can't mess anything up. Even if you some of these videos, like if the logo is you need to change it or whatever, edit it as many times as you wish, download as many of them as you wish, and sell as many of these as you wish, if you have a business where you're making these for clients. So it's a really cool software. I think you'll be very happy with what your purchase. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment on this video or send us an email. There's a support tab over here to the left as well. So this is the end of the tutorial. Really hope you enjoy the software. Thank you for watching.